Hey everyone, my name is 𝗕𝗠𝗪 𝗧𝘂𝘁𝗍. I'm a BMW Genius here at BMW of Macon. And what we're going to do today is learn on how to open up the hood on a 2024 BMW X5. This actually applies for the all the models on here. So what you do is you step out here, and when you open up the door, right where your footrest is at, most people see this thing, see the button, but there's a ×2, so most people don't read it, but you got to pull it once, then pull it again, pull it once, then again, and then once it's raised, you typically just grab it right here and just raise up. I always like using both of my hands right here because the latches are on both sides, but most people, they'll go ahead and dig with these hands and they'll do it like this. Sometimes what happens is the right hand side of the latch could be up, so always take both hands, press down.